Welcome to this guided meditation. This is a time for you to slow down, find balance, and rediscover the peace that exists within you. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and prepare yourself for this journey. To begin, visualize gentle waves rising and falling in harmony with your breath. Begin by bringing all your attention to the act of breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling the fresh air enter and fill your lungs, as if nourishing every cell of your body with calm and serenity. Hold the breath for a moment, allowing this positive energy to spread within you. Now, exhale slowly and gently through your mouth, releasing any tension, any weight that you may be carrying. Repeat this process at your own pace, but if you wish, try a more structured breathing. Inhale for a count of 4, feeling the air enter gently. Hold for 7 seconds, allowing stillness to settle in. Then exhale for 8 seconds, completely releasing any discomfort or agitation. With each breath, feel more present, more connected. Notice how your breath is like an anchor, grounding your mind in the present moment. Imagine that with each inhale, you are receiving a flow of calm and clarity. And with each exhale, you are releasing any distractions or worries. Continue for a few moments, simply feeling the air flow in and out, flowing naturally as your body relaxes more with each breath. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just gently notice this movement and bring your attention back to the calm rhythm of your breath. This is your moment, and your breath is your guide to a state of peace and presence. Imagine a soft, comforting light appearing at the top of your head. It's like a gentle ray of sunshine or a warm flow of energy. Feel this light slowly begin to spread, enveloping your scalp and completely relaxing the muscles in your forehead. Any tension or worries dissolve, leaving your mind calm and your face light. Let this light gently descend into your eyes, relieving any heaviness. Your jaw, which is often tense, also relaxes completely. You may feel your mouth open slightly, a sign that tranquility is coming. Now, visualize this warm light moving down to your shoulders. Feel how they become lighter, as if an invisible weight is being lifted. This relaxing sensation travels down your arms, down to your hands and fingers, leaving each part feeling loose and comfortable. The light continues downward, enveloping your chest and heart. Each heartbeat now sounds like a reminder of calm. Your abdomen releases. Any tension you may be holding there dissipates completely. This loving light flows down through your hips, reaching your legs. Feel it flow through your knees, calves, ankles, and all the way down to your feet and toes. Your entire body is now in a deep state of relaxation, as if floating lightly. Breathe and allow yourself to remain in this feeling of lightness for a few moments. Now, let your imagination take you to a place of absolute tranquility. This is your special retreat, a space where you feel completely safe and at peace. It could be a secret garden, surrounded by vibrantly colored flowers and soothing scents. Perhaps it's a quiet beach, where the sound of the waves soothes your mind. Or perhaps it's a sunlit mountain with a cool, welcoming breeze. In this place, you will find a source of crystal clear light. This light is not only beautiful, it is a reflection of your inner peace. Sit next to this source or stand next to it, whichever you prefer. Feel this light expanding and filling your body. With each inhale, imagine that you are absorbing this serene energy. Feel it illuminating every corner of your being. With each exhale, release any restlessness, doubt, or tension that may still be present. This is your space, a place where you can return whenever you need. Allow yourself to stay here for a few moments, absorbing all that is good, calm, and renewing. While you are in this state of deep peace, ask yourself, what can I release to bring more peace into my life? You may have thoughts, images, or just a feeling. Don't judge, just observe. Let your intuition guide you. Now ask, what in my life already contributes to my inner peace? What people, places, or moments do I deeply value? Feel gratitude rise within you, like a flame warming your heart. Remember, everything you need to find calm is within you. Even in the most challenging moments, peace is accessible when you connect with it. Slowly bring your attention back to your physical body. Notice the contact of your feet with the floor or your back with the surface you are standing on. Feel the weight of your body, acknowledging the safety of this moment. Gently move your fingers and toes, allowing your body to slowly awaken. When you are ready, open your eyes, look around you, perceiving your surroundings with new clarity and tranquility. Remember, this peace you felt here is not something distant. It is always within your reach. Just stop, breathe, and reconnect. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. May this serenity accompany you in all your choices and thoughts. If this meditation touched your heart, share it with someone who could benefit from this moment of peace.